ya wo be ye be ma wo ho aye hinti a obi nso feel say onu su be bi owo no pese o kire wo say mesuma ba ni say eye politics na ye ye nim say politics die wo bia e ka dia e be ye ne yonko ya na e be ma ne yonko aye unpopular among the people now I can't know they are projecting. There are some statements that I heard Chairman Wontumi make, and I was highly disappointed. In a man of his caliber, #1, baby Ote, as the regional chairman of the Ashanti region. And Nsem bi wo ho kekanya, sebi imprevia samu. Yenya yetia bontia yenim ni eko, we know what is on the ground. They were utterly distasteful. And yet, Asema Yeka, #1, Efa Obang, the second lady of the land. Then even before Obe called into office as a vice president. And Sema Chairman to be kafa mami one year time. As penny of his caliber #1, and as a regional chairman. As Sebio and Kola Edias Yen almost show na year time. And Sema Okafa, your current president. Mr. John Dramani Mahama eka insemi bu ha me du se meka eka say ye Madam Lodina Kojaso obaye obehu say Sebio. Come on, how do we do such cheap politics? NPP for a titru for where NPP for omo school oma jimudo. How do we sit down and we watch Chairman Wontumi degrade the party to this level? How? How do we sit down and we watch him go about on national television spewing utter nonsense
it's true.
About people that hold class in society, people that are holding office near the idea? Yet yaka say they be ne start a program topic I de Now Ola say we should show respect. We should show respect. If we are preaching to show respect, and people that are holding offices are disrespecting people on national television and national radio, now you call say yeba. Now you call say yeba. A whole regional chairman sits down on national radio and call a woman a witch. Say we share na nima was a before. How do you say this? And for na bonina oye bonina allegedly omo me pacho hold on. Bonina allegedly omo kasa waye no. Menya sure say no so etwem. Menya sure say ye no asem no muka. So now one cry non starter. Hey, I feel like that cheap politics na we see ye jai. E we say ye jai. And Matisse Chairman Wontumi say or call for NPP
national
national me pacho Ompe baby ntina NPP for delegate for to Abama Chairman Wontumi because Okahu be na NPP we. Oh, Empress, me view na me can me say Chairman Wontumi ompe baby ntina.
All right.
It was a human right. Ompe baby ntina. NPP for Chairman delegate be batch Okahu be and na wo mo report all. Why be? We cannot say that he's not done anything for the NPP party.
Oh, yes, still regional chairman.
And I know dear or in the regional, no in the regional, but national say NPP better konenim. Na afi 2024 ye pe wo mo asebio sebi impregiasa wo ma omo party na say any party ni history ya be hold on ye be drive party no amana akọ into that success na party ni person wo mu hu na empress mami wie ama wo ma party ni success na e wo so wo mu nya na Chairman Wontumi on tenase.